recently. I was preparing to go for a cousin's wedding, but unfortunately, the wedding was cancelled due to floods and excessive rains in our city. Well, things like bad weather or damage at the venue are some uncertain and unforeseen situations which can cause a lot of financial loss. But think about the couple and the family who have to undergo this financial stress. Well, in India, wedding is a big event for every family where people spend their entire savings and lifetime earnings for it. In case of cancellation of wedding or such event due to any uncertain things such as bad weather, venue getting burnt, accidental injury to any guest, or the third party damage to guest or vendor can cause a lot of financial losses to the organizers of the event. Hence, it is very important to have an event insurance in place to ensure the most important event, the wedding of one's life. Event insurance by ICICI Lombard offers you coverage for losses or damage due to defined perils up to the sum insured mentioned in the policy. Well, now whether it's a music show, award ceremony, wedding conference or any special event such as Navratri Puja or Durga Puja, we have got you covered. Now, if it is an event worth celebrating, it's an event worth insuring. Now, let us see the key coverage areas of the event insurance policy offered by ICICI Lombard. First, event cancellation due to fire or allied perils such as earthquake, burglary or theft at the venue, or due to the national or state mourning due to the death of a prominent figure, or event cancellation due to the unexplained failure of named person to appear for the event due to any of the contingencies like death or illness. Second section, which is material damage. Now, this section offers you a cover for direct physical loss or damage to the insured property due to fire, including earthquake, burglary or theft at the venue. Third, and very important, personal accident cover. Now, the policy can also offer you coverage for named persons, blood relations and relatives against the risk of accidental death or any injury on the site of event. Fourth, public liability. Liability towards the third parties for accidents which may result into injury or damage at the event venue during the policy period. Well, we believe in understanding our clients thoroughly. Here's what we need from you to tailor this perfect wedding event insurance plan. First, profile of the assured or the proposer. Second, experience details for organizing this type of insured event in case of an event manager is available. Third, cover-wise sum insured proposed, which can be chosen by the proposer. Fifth, venue and the complete details with the brief details of address. Sixth, safety and security arrangement for the venue. And seventh, claim details for any of the events which has happened in the past. Now, when it comes to the claims and loss management, we have got you covered with a robust system in place by offering first, 24/7 call center for immediate assistance. Second, you can also directly intimate to our relationship manager, or we also provide a huge network of surveyors and investigators such as our partners like Puri Crawford and Cunningham Lindsay International Private Limited, which are well established in the world of surveying. Also, with an immediate deputation of surveyors within the 24 hours of loss intimation, we make your journey very easy with ICICI Lombard. Now, your celebrations are not just event, they are moments protected by us. Experience a worry-free event with ICICI Lombard, where your safety is our priority.